Why did you guys take that you guys are so giggly?
Jeanette spiked my coffee with something. I know she did. It's recording, dude. What are you trying to do to my camera? Huh? It needs to see. It's like a blind. Yo. He's hiding under a big snowflake. It looks like on the camera, it looks like a snowflake or a blue pot leaf.
A blue pot leaf. Does it?
Does it? There's no way.
Well,
no, I know.
It's snowflakes.
They look more like maybe a Star of David.
Well, no, the giant one looks like a snowflake.
You're
You're a snowflake.
Yeah.
The snowflakes are hiding a fro.
He has a nice ass.
Fine.
Here's a small crack.
What's that?
Charlie, we're trying to take a picture of his ass.
You'll get a better picture of it. Hold on.
Trudging.
Chaucer.
You know, trudging? To trudge. To trudge.
Have you guys read any of
weary,
Chaucer's?
depressing
Yes.
yet determined walk
I
of a
had to
man
read
who
them
has
for
nothing
English.
left in his life
What do they like?
except the
I do.
impulse to sympathy.
I had to read a Nun's Priest Tale and Wife of Bath.
Oh, really?
Interesting
Yeah.
question, actually. Yeah. And then at the same time, a huge
Was that?
resounding no.
I like
More sort of involuntary.